Hey guys, on today's video, I'm teach you how to factory reset this awesome computer. So let's just get started. Go down here below where it says search and just type in factory reset. It's actually gonna be that easy. It's factory reset. And it's not even named factory reset. The actual name of what we're doing is called reset this PC. So tap there. And I wanted you guys to just go on and type in factory reset because that's actually what we're doing. So right here, it's gonna say reset this PC. So you can choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So this particular video is about wiping this clean. That means we're gonna get rid of everything from it and no personal information will be here anymore. So no more pictures, videos, contacts, your email, everything will be gone from here. It's gonna start when you first got it, the very first time you guys got it and you had to go throughout the whole setup. That's how it's gonna be. So usually you want that if you're selling this or maybe even gifting it to someone else. You have to do that. So we're gonna go on and just choose reset this PC. All right, so you have local and cloud. For some reason, cloud sometimes is a lot faster and it's gonna download stuff. From local, it's just from here. Again, I'm not 100% sure why this happens, but I had a lot more luck with cloud. So I'm gonna do that. That does require internet, by the way. Then just go into next and then just let it be. It's gonna restart by itself. What you guys are gonna see later on is the same startup page that you guys had before when it was brand new and you had to put in your email and everything again to set up once again as it was before. Sometimes people do this when there's viruses and you need to wipe everything clean. This usually will fix that issue. If there's a huge virus or there's a virus you just can't get rid of for some reason, usually this works. Not always, but usually. All right, so from here, it's gonna say ready to reset this PC. Go ahead and reset it. And there we go. Once again, just wait for it. All right, so once again, it has to download the entire thing so it can actually do this. All right, so during the process, you're gonna see this, just gonna restart, resetting the PC. And then finally, you're about to be done because this process doesn't take too long. All right, up next, you should see something like so, installing. So it's just reinstalling Windows onto it. All right, so at this point in time, you're actually officially
To set
all
up your
done.
device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Okay, so like I mentioned, you're all done. You can set it up again, but this is not part of the process of factory resetting it. You already factory reset. Everything's wiped clean. If you're selling this or giving it back, returning it, right now, just fully shut it down. So just hold on to power key, fully shut it down, and then just pack it up. If you want to set this up again, yes, you can set it up again using your own credentials, bringing everything back in, or you can set it up again for someone else using their own stuff. So you just have to go throughout the whole setup process again. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.